What the world needs is for children all around it to imagine the type of future you want to build.
We can bring nature back into balance. Together, we must imagine a brighter future.
Take out a blank piece of paper and draw, paint, or write about the future you would like to see. One that puts nature at the heart of everything we do. That way, we can help make our planet strong and healthy for generations to come.
We can do this.
We must do this.
And we have to do it now.
Because depende de nosotros.
我们自己定。
ये हम पर निर्भर करता है.
It's up to us.